installing certain apps can earn you money, with each app offering a different payout. For instance, by installing one app, you might earn $5, while installing another could earn you $7. This presents an opportunity to make money online by simply downloading and using various applications. To get started, head to the Google Play Store and search for the NX app. Upon installation, open the app and log in using your Gmail account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the NX dashboard, which displays your profile details and earnings. NX is accessible globally, ensuring users worldwide can take advantage of its earning potential. Additionally, signing up for NX rewards you with a bonus of 200 coins, further incentivizing participation. To maximize earnings on NX, focus on completing the most lucrative offers available. One such opportunity is the Playtime Games section, accessible by clicking on the play icon. Here you'll find various app and game offers that reward you for installation and usage. For example, you might encounter offers for play-to-earn games or other applications. Upon selecting an offer, follow the prompts to install the app and grant any necessary permissions. Once installed, you can engage with the app as required to earn the specified reward. Additionally, NX provides opportunities to earn by inviting friends and family to join the platform, further augmenting your earning potential. The versatility of NX allows users to explore different offers and choose those that align with their interests and preferences. Whether it's playing games, testing new apps, or completing other tasks, NX offers a range of opportunities to earn money online. Furthermore, by participating in high-paying offers and leveraging referral bonuses, users can boost their earnings significantly. It's important to note that NX's earning potential may vary depending on factors such as location and available offers. Therefore, users are encouraged to stay updated on the latest opportunities and engage with those that offer the highest returns. By actively participating and exploring different earning avenues within NX, users can capitalize on its earning potential and increase their income over time. NX provides a convenient platform for users to earn money by installing and using various apps. With a global presence and a range of earning opportunities, NX offers users the chance to supplement their income through simple tasks. By leveraging its features and exploring different earning avenues, users can maximize their earnings and unlock the full potential of the platform. Earn rewards by playing a game on NX, where you can accumulate 26 coins per minute of gameplay. By dedicating your time to this game, you stand to earn a substantial total of over 1,600 coins, all for free. To learn more about this opportunity, simply click on the More option to access additional details about the game. Upon reaching the game's information page, you'll find a description highlighting its appeal to individuals who enjoy smart and skill-based casual games. It's important to review the reward conditions outlined on this page, noting that there may be a delay of up to 24 hours before receiving your earned coins. This delay allows for verification of your gaming activity and ensures accurate crediting of rewards. Keep in mind that this gaming offer is specifically for new users, a common condition for many app offers on NX. Therefore, it's advisable to register with a new Gmail account when participating in such offers. Additionally, rewards are only provided if you download the game using the link provided within the NX app. Under the rewards section, you'll see a breakdown of how earnings accumulate with each minute of gameplay. Initially, you'll earn 26 coins for the first minute, followed by 27 coins for the second minute, and 28 coins for the third minute, with earnings increasing incrementally the longer you play. If you reach the maximum reward limit, your earnings will be credited within 48 hours. To start earning with this gaming app, simply click the Play Now button located at the bottom of your screen. This action will redirect you to the game, allowing you to begin accumulating coins through gameplay. By dedicating time and effort to playing the game, you can steadily increase your earnings and maximize your rewards within the stipulated time frame. The game on NX offers a lucrative opportunity for users to earn rewards by engaging in gameplay. With its user-friendly interface and clear reward structure, it provides a straightforward way to accumulate coins and boost your earnings. By adhering to the reward conditions and actively participating in gameplay, you can leverage this opportunity to earn substantial rewards over time. Access the Google Play Store to download the Play to Earn Games app, currently installing on the smartphone. Once installed, simply click Play to engage with the game. The app's homepage features various gaming options, all accessible without any initial investment. Earnings increase with the duration spent playing games, emphasizing the importance of time commitment. For instance, engaging in a Ludo game involves waiting for turns and making moves on the board. Despite no upfront costs, the longer spent playing, the higher the potential earnings. In a 9-minute game with 4 players from different global locations, a total of 6 minutes invested resulted in 352 coins credited to the account. Reviewing the earnings history within the app showcases various sources of income, including sign-up bonuses, daily login rewards, and earnings from playtime. Notably, the playtime earnings detail the accumulation of coins over different intervals of gameplay, indicating the effectiveness of engaging with the Ludo game offer. With over 142 coins earned in just 6 minutes of gameplay, the efficiency of leveraging play to earn opportunities is evident. Continuing with the gameplay to accumulate over 1,600 coins might prolong the video unnecessarily, so let's proceed. Upon revisiting the Playtime Games section, 3 new apps or games offer opportunities for earning. The first one promises 15 coins per minute, potentially totaling 946 coins upon installation. Similarly, the second app, a watch, play, and chat games platform, offers the same earning rate with a potential total of 940 coins. Lastly, the Water Sword IQ puzzle app pledges 2 coins per minute, summing up to 156 coins in total. For instance, selecting the Watch, Play, Chat game provides a detailed description and reward conditions similar to previous gaming app offers. Notably, rewards increase every 2 minutes of gameplay, incentivizing prolonged engagement. Simply clicking the Play Now button initiates the installation process, enabling users to start earning for every minute spent on the app. In addition to gaming apps, the Terra Box option offers a substantial reward of over 3,200 coins. This straightforward opportunity involves installing the app, instantly crediting users with the significant coin amount. Clicking the Install button redirects to Google Chrome, where the installation process begins. These opportunities underscore the diverse ways users can earn through NX, from engaging with gaming apps to straightforward installations. The potential for significant earnings encourages users to explore various offers and maximize their earning potential within the platform. To unlock earning opportunities with Terra Box, simply follow the provided link and install the app from the Play Store. Upon installation, proceed to open the app, agree to the terms, and sign up using your preferred account, be it Gmail or Facebook. Customize your account settings and finalize the setup by clicking Complete, leading you to the Terra Box dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll find options to watch ads and collect gold coins, kickstarting your journey to earning money through both Terra Box and NX. By installing apps and watching ads on these platforms, you can tap into lucrative earning potential, making it a promising avenue for online income generation in 2024. For those aiming for unlimited earnings, explore the PubScale option within NX. Here you'll discover various games and apps offering substantial rewards for installation and engagement. For instance, installing specific apps could yield over 14,000 coins, while gaming apps might fetch close to 4,000 coins. Furthermore, maximize your earnings by inviting friends and family to join NX using your affiliate link, earning commissions for their activities on the platform. Daily logging into NX earns you additional coins, and watching ads in the designated section presents another opportunity to boost your income. While the presented methods and earnings are illustrated in Indian currency due to the current location of the screen recording team, rest assured that NX operates globally, offering relevant money withdrawal options tailored to your country. With the potential for substantial earnings, these platforms offer a compelling opportunity for individuals seeking to supplement their income through digital means.